Fans. We just finished up a build for a customer. Took us about 2.5 weeks, and we put our bed system in, our mounting kit in as well. And our mounting kit involves these rails as well as the bottom rails that we attach our bed system into. This bed system has our beloved FUKit. That's FUK kit that allows the bed to be lifted up so you can have access to products underneath and also rested down in place. The bed also raises and lowers with tools to go up to 36 inches high above or below the bed system, so you can store bikes underneath. And it's available in a single panel, 2-panel, or 3-panel, which is pretty much a single bed, a full bed, or a queen size bed. Visit us at roostfans.com. Hey guys, this is Dennis Veach with Roost Fans, as well as Lee behind the camera, and this is one of the builds that we just finished up. We put our mounting kit in, as we mentioned, but we also put in our shelf kit, as well as our flat pack shipping upper cabinetry package with adjustable shelves and locking button, which is kind of fun. Just hitting the button's fun. We did a little bit more on this build than just a simple build. We put in this cabinet, under cabinet lighting that is adjustable in brightness, as well as our ceiling light kit, which we install here in our shop, which you can adjust the brightness as well. The upper lights are just controlled on the factory lighting, and so you have quite a few lighting options in this build. Visit us at roostfans.com for your custom build.